In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Gantt tab in Asana, a simple way to manage your projects with ease and clarity. Let's dive right in. First, let's make sure you're in the right place. Begin by navigating to the project in Asana where you want to include the Gantt tab. This could be any project that you're currently working on. If you haven't worked with this feature before, think of the Gantt tab as a powerful visual tool that enables you to see your whole project timeline laid out in front of you. It not only makes it easier to track the progress of your tasks, but also helps in understanding how each piece of work fits into the big picture. Now that you're in your project, glance toward the top of your screen. Here, you'll find a list of view tabs. These are different ways you can view your tasks in Asana, such as the list or calendar format. Each view delivers unique insights and tools that cater to varied project management needs. Among these, the Gantt view stands out for its ability to represent your project chronologically along a timeline, providing visual clarity to your planning process. Next, look for the plus icon, which you'll find right next to the last tab on your View tabs list. By clicking this plus icon, you'll reveal a drop-down menu with additional view options. Here, you'll want to select Gantt. It's that simple. As soon as you click Gantt, your new tab will be instantly added. And just like that, you're all set up to begin utilizing your Gantt tab. This area will be your go-to for creating and managing tasks with precision. You can start by entering tasks directly into the Gantt view. Add their respective due dates, which is as straightforward as clicking on the timeline and dragging to set the desired time period. A crucial part of managing tasks in a Gantt chart is understanding and setting dependencies. Dependencies allow you to specify which tasks rely on others for completion. To manage this within your Gantt chart, you can utilize the Blocked By column. By selecting items in this column, you define the interdependencies, ensuring that tasks aren't started until prerequisites are met. This visually connects the tasks and streamlines project flow, making sure your team members are always aligned with the project timeline. And there you have it. All these adjustments and setups on the Gantt tab directly sync with your other tabs in Asana, keeping your project consistent across different views. That's it for today's guide on adding a Gantt app in Asana. By following these simple steps, you've now enhanced your project management capabilities, bringing more structure and visibility to your workflow. Happy planning, and see you in the next video.